Hello students, I am Tanmay De. Welcome to Sanchayita. In this video, I am going to dictate an editorial passage from the Hindu and it's on 2+2 dialogue. Total words 1021, speed will be 100 words per minute. From your written exams perspective, this passage also very important. So, I would like to share some important facts relating to this passage. You can also note down this fact. You might know that the 2+2 dialogue term is an expression used to indicate that two appointed ministers from each country, here India and United States, will meet up to discuss the two countries' strategic and security interests. It's held on 26 and 27 October in our national capital, New Delhi. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and Defense Secretary Mark Esper met with our Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and External Affairs Minister S. Jaisankar. Now you thinking about why it is important for us. Because our country begins its term as a non-permanent member of the UN Security Council in January 2020. After this dialogue, US will support India to become a permanent member of this council, and it is said by Mike Pompeo. India signed an important defense pact, BECA, which stands for Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement. This will strengthen both countries' internal and external security. You might be know that this is not the first meeting. Before this, two countries met twice, one in September 2018 in New Delhi and second one in Washington DC in December 2019. Apart from BECA, these two countries signed previously few important agreements. One is COMCASA in 2018, second one JOSMIA in 2002 and LIMOA in 2016. Now I am showing you few important words from this passage with meaning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. India-United States defense partnership received a major boost earlier this week with the visit of US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and US Defense Secretary Mark Esper for the third round of the 2+2 dialogue with their Indian counterparts, External Affairs Minister S. Jaisankar and Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. The joint statement spells out the highlights, but the optics are what define the visit. At a time when most ministerial engagements and even summits are taking place virtually, the significance of two senior US officials traveling to Delhi a week before the US goes to the polls conveys an unambiguous political message that defense partnership has come of age. It has been a long cruise with many ups and downs since the first modest steps were taken with the end of the Cold War 3 decades ago. The 1991 Kicklighter proposals Lieutenant General Claude Kicklighter was the army commander at the US Pacific Command suggested establishing contacts between the three services to promote exchanges and explore areas of cooperation. An agreement Minute of Defense Cooperation was concluded in 1995, instituting a dialogue at the Defense Secretary level together with the setting up of Technology Group. The end of the Cold War had helped create this opening, but the overhang of the nuclear issue continued to cast a shadow on the talks. There was little appreciation of each other's threat perceptions, and the differences came to a head when India undertook a series of nuclear tests in 1998. The US responded angrily by imposing a whole slew of economic sanctions and leading the international condemnation campaign. An intensive engagement followed with 18 rounds of talks between the then External Affairs Minister, the late Jaswant Singh, and then US Deputy Secretary of State Stuart Talbot, spanning 2 years, that helped bring about a shift in perceptions. Sanctions were gradually lifted, and in 2005, a 10 years framework for defense relationship established, followed by a joint declaration on defense cooperation in 2013. The framework agreement was renewed in 2015 for another decade. The framework laid out an institutional mechanism for areas of cooperation including joint exercises, intelligence exchanges, joint training for multinational operations including disaster relief and humanitarian assistance, technology transfer, and a sharing of non-proliferation best practices. Initial movement was slow, it gathered momentum once the nuclear hurdle was overcome in 2008 with the India-US civil nuclear deal. There were other factors at play too. Equally important was the progressive opening up of the Indian economy that was registering an impressive annual growth rate of over 7%. Bilateral trade in goods and services was $20 billion in 2018. The 4 million strong Indian diaspora in the US has come of political age, and its impact can be seen in the bipartisan composition of the India caucus in the House and the Senate Friends of India group, from less than $400 million of defense acquisitions till 2005. The US has since signed defense contracts of $18 billion, a bipartisan consensus supporting the steady growth in India-US ties in both New Delhi and Washington has been a critical supporting factor. The first baby steps in the form of the Kicklighter proposals came in 1991 from the Bush administration Republican when P.V. Narasimha Rao led a Congress coalition. Following a nuclear test, Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee Bharatiya Janata Party welcomed President Bill Clinton Democrat to Delhi. The visit taking place after 22 years, the previous one being US President Jimmy Carter's visit in 1978, marked a shift from estranged democracies to natural allies . A Congress coalition led by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh carried the process forward with a Republican Bush administration. Heavy political lifting was needed to conclude the historic nuclear deal in 2008, removing the biggest legacy obstacle. The biggest push was come from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, overcoming the hesitations of history and taking forward the relationship first with a democratic Obama administration by announcing a joint strategy vision for the Asia Pacific and Indian Ocean region in 2015, followed by elevating the India-US strategic and commercial dialogue within bracket launched in 2009 and the first round held in 2010 bracket close into the 2+2 dialogue in 2018 with the within double bracket Republican bracket close Trump administration, reflecting the within single quote comprehensive global strategic partnership decode. Mr. Modi is not constrained within bracket at least on the strategic side bracket close, unlike Dr. Singh during his second term, who faced opposition within his party, had a defense minister who preferred to shy away from any decision and often had to prod a reluctant bureaucracy. The signing last week of the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement within bracket BECA bracket close, providing for the sharing of geospatial data, is the last of the foundational agreements. The first General Secretary of Military Information Agreement within bracket JOSMIA bracket close relating to security of each other's military information was signed in 2002. The Congress-led United Progressive Alliance government signed the End Use Monitoring Agreement within bracket EUMA bracket close in 2009, but then dragged its feet on the others on the grounds that it would jeopardize India's strategic autonomy. However, it was apparent that as military exercises with the US expanded both in scale and complexity, and US military platforms were inducted, not signing these agreements was perceived as an obstacle to strengthening cooperation. Nearly 60 countries have signed BECA. In 2016, Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Agreement within bracket LEMOA bracket close relating to exchange of logistics support had been concluded, followed by Communications Compatibility and Security Agreement within bracket COMCUS bracket close in 2018, permitting encryption systems. More than 100 countries have signed these agreements, with the US equivalent agreements on logistics and mutual security of military communication have also been signed with France, but without the political force. Developing the habit of working together has been a long process of building mutual respect and trust while accepting differences. The US is used to dealing with allies within bracket invariably junior partners in a US dominated alliance structure bracket close and adversaries. India falls into neither category. Therefore, engaging a equal partners has been a learning experience for both India and the US. Recognizing this, the US categorized India as within double quote a major defense partner decode in 2016, a position unique to India that was formalized in the National Defense Authorization Act within bracket 2017 bracket close, authoring the Secretaries of State and Defense to take necessary measures. Stop writing. Editorial passage dictation will help you to improve your stenography as well as English. So, before transcription, you should read your script and then do transcription. Now, the outlines of important words. This is part 1. This is part 2. This is final part. Now I am showing you the full passage. This is part 1. This is part 2. This is part 3. And this is the final part. Thank you very much. I hope you find my videos useful to you. If so, keep watching and take care.